Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to our GCast social media demonstration. For those who don't know, my name is Ashley Pitt. I head up client services here at Gen3 Media. Basically, I'll spend probably maybe 15 to 20 minutes, I guess, showing you guys through the new feature that we've currently got for social. So I'll just get started. Just as well for all the latecomers and those kind of things, even though they're not here yet, we will record this session and we'll provide you a link for it to view it later on if you need to. Okay, so basically this is just stage one of our social integration for GCast. So basically what this means is as part of this release, you'll be able to post an email to Facebook, tweet it to Twitter, and even add like, share, and tweet buttons to your email as well. You'll also be able to view and manage all of your social interactions from within GCast as well. So that's kind of what we'll be going through. So for the demonstration, we'll be operating from, I guess, our demo Sandpit account. Our user is going to be John Smith from the company My Email Marketing Business. We've got a Twitter account and a Facebook account for John Smith, and a company like a Facebook page for the Email Marketing Business as well. As you can probably tell, we're all muted. It's kind of a webinar thing, but if you do have any questions, throughout the presentations, please type them into the chat window, and Dean, will respond to you. If the question is more involved, and even if you want to beta test the feature, please shoot us an email, contact us at gen3media.com, and we'll look at switching that on for you to give social a go as well. But without any further delay, I'll get into the demo of the account of the feature. So basically, for starters, you can configure your GCast account to automatically remember your social details every time. So you can either set them up as a default, so whenever you do a campaign, it remembers who you are, or you can put them in per campaign, because some campaigns you might want to post to Facebook, some you might not. So if you go to set that up, if you go to your admin area and under Profile, you can select your site preferences, and underneath your campaign settings, you'll have an option there to log into your social account. So what it will do, obviously I've already logged in here, but basically you'd go to log into GCast and it will come up with prompts to allow the application and those kind of things. Here you can also put some text to display Facebook likes. So that's just where you have your like button. I'll show you that in a little bit as well. But you can customize that text that pops up. So this will basically mean that every time we go to create a campaign, our social settings will automatically be remembered. So by rights, you'd only really need to log in here and do this once. So that's all good. So basically what we'd do now is we'd get a campaign together. So we have created a campaign already, but what I'm going to do is just show you, how you can drop in the Facebook like buttons and the tweets and those kind of things. So I'm just going to copy a campaign that we were previously working on. And so what I'll do is I'll grab this here, and this is just one we call like or tweet this, do this now. Just going to call it V2, just because I can. So I'm going to save and edit this particular campaign, and it's dropped it into GCast as per normal. Now I've just opened that up to full screen to get a bit of a better view. But as I said, I've already dropped in a tag for Facebook like, a button for share, and a button for tweet. Now to add this to your email campaigns, from the personalized field drop-down menu here, you'll have the option to drop in your Facebook like as a tag. Now if you wanted to, you could put the share in as a tag or a link. And you've also got the Twitter one here, so the tweet button there. So that's what you can do. Now, if you wanted to drag it within the campaign, you can. Just bear in mind that this doesn't tweet or like particular sections of a campaign. It's liking the whole thing. So probably best practice is just to drop it up the top of your email. So that's adding those buttons in there, and that's where people receive the email and they can click and go like all those things. So just for this particular campaign, I'm just going to set it up, choose the date and the time that I want it to go. But you'll see that the demographics page is there as per usual, but between demographics and status, there is a social tab. And so basically from here, we're already logged in as, the Facebook account that we've got, and we're already logged in Twitter. But if we wanted to change that, we could log out and do that. Now, for all of these, for the Facebook posts, you can provide a message for people to be able to view it online. So they can basically click the email from the Facebook post and view it online. Now the subject, this will automatically populate your subject line in here, but if you wanted to change that, you can, to make it more relevant to the Facebook post. And you can also, basically put in whatever you want for the content here. Say, hey, check this out. This is our, email or those kind of things. Now, from here, you can choose whether you want to post the Facebook post to your personal profile or to your page that you manage. Now, if you manage like 5 or 6 or 20 different kinds of pages, that'll all display here. And if you've added some more pages or something like that, or you change your profile, you can just refresh, and that'll basically connect to Facebook and draw in any additional pages that you have, or I guess ones that you've removed. With the Twitter functionality, we do limit how many, it'll say how many characters there are that you can use. So it's at 119. So that's limited to there. So that's, basically this is how you set up. So when you've got your email there ready, you've got your social posts for Facebook and Twitter ready, and so you can save and continue, and then you go to your testing area. Now, as per normal, when you send yourself a test email, you obviously get a test of that draft email that's come through, and you'll be able to review it and see how it reads, those kind of things. When you've got social enabled, we'll do that for Facebook and for Twitter. So you'll actually get 3 test emails. That will just kind of give you a little bit of a preview as to how it's kind of going to look. So I've just got a couple of emails here that I've just been just worked on. So this is the test here. So that's your standard test email there. This is how it can potentially look at for your Facebook post, and that's a link to your online version. And then this is very basic, but this is how it would look for your tweet. Now that huge long email there, that will be shortened by Twitter. They shorten that link out, so it won't contribute to your word count or anything like that. So look, once you're happy with all of this, you just tests look fine, everything like that, you'd book it in to go as per normal. But like any cooking show, we're going to show you one that we created earlier. And this is the campaign that we've sent. Basically, it's gone out to a massive 1 person, and we've had a fantastic open rate of 100%. Now you might notice that there is a new column there called social, and from here you can click through and have a look at the social statistics. So you've got so basically from this campaign, I've got 5 likes, 5 comments, and I've got 3 retweets. Now you can manage all of your you can sort of view all of this from within here. So if we click on the 5 likes, now we can see whether that's part of likes from our profile or from our page. So if I have a look at the email marketing business, I've got 3 likes, from that page for this particular send that's gone out, or and this is from my particular profile, so for John Smith's profile. Now, there is a date field here. Broadcast will just show you the one date, but if you're running a set and forget campaign, you can view, how many likes you had on, say, the 25th of September, 26th, 27th, as long as that campaign is running for, basically. Now, from here, you can also have a look at your comments, and so you can go, all right, here's the comments that were on here. And now if you wanted to go in and manage that, it'll take you straight to your Facebook page. And so, if somebody's asked you a question, you can go in and type away. So, that's, yep. And just, manage it from there. And basically, it does refresh pretty quickly. So if I just do my little browser refresh, that's already updated with my 6 comments. And the retweets as well, so when you post something onto Twitter, people can, if they retweet it, it'll record it here, and basically you can go in, if you logged into your Twitter account, and view that, and basically say, hey, thanks, thanks for the retweet. So it's just a good little way to sort of manage all of that from the one platform. But look, as I said, that's just really the stage one. We do have quite a bit more planned with social and how that works. But yeah, that's so. I mean, once again, we're looking at doing a little bit of beta testing first, just to see how people find using it and those kind of things. And yeah, as I said, if you want to have a beta test, by all means, shoot us off an email. We'll also send you a quick little feedback survey after this as well. But once again, everybody, thank you very much for your time. It's a short little presentation. I'll let you get back to your day. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, see you all later.